Hey everybody, in this video I'll explain what NFT whitelist spot is. And at the end of this video, I'll be giving away 10 whitelist spots for new Metaverse on Cardano blockchain. So basically, whitelists are golden tickets to buying NFTs for cheap. And a whitelist in NFT world is a list of people who gets early and guaranteed access to mint at specific date and window of time. Let's say, for example, there is a very hype project, and let's say they're just going to be minting 8,000 NFTs, and Imaginary One is actually one of them. It's very hype. If we go to their Twitter account, they have almost 500,000 followers, and they're only going to be minting 8,888 NFTs. So everybody's trying to get on early, because if you have whitelist spot, then you can mint at the minting price and then flip it on secondary market. Because of how much hype it has, it will be at least 10x on secondary market. And a lot of times for projects like this, it's not easy to get whitelist spot. And even to get on their Discord, like for example, Imaginary Ones, they're once in a while tweeting out their Discord name and an invite. So if you had notification turned on, maybe you were able to find one of those tweets. Usually tweet is there for maybe like an hour or so, and then you can get on their Discord. And as you can see at the time of recording this video, they have 86,000 people on their Discord, and this is actually private Discord. So you have to realize how many people's trying to get on this project. And to get on a whitelist, you'll have to participate in a different kind of contest and other things that they're offering for their whitelist spots. Or in some cases, they will tweet out that they're guarantee 5 free mint spot or whitelist spots. And to enter, you just have to follow them, like, retweet, and maybe tag couple friends, and you'll be entered into win whitelist spot. For example, for this 5 whitelist spots, 19 or almost 20,000 people liked, retweeted, and actually commented. So 16,000 people tried to get into one of those whitelist spots. And the giveaway that I'm gonna do almost exactly the same way. I'm gonna ask you to follow me in that Metaverse project, then like, retweet, and maybe tag 3 friends. And you'll have 48 hours to enter, and then we'll announce the winner. And the project that I'm gonna be giving away 10 whitelist spots, it's gonna be Iconicos. This is new startup Dubai-based Metaverse project on Cardano blockchain, and they were able to raise 2 million in pre-seed funding to start working on this project. And as you can see right here, this looks like some kind of entry portal that maybe most likely you'll have to use to enter this metaverse, or maybe this is the portal just to go maybe to a different metaverses or something like that. We don't know yet. And then if you go on their Twitter page, they have a couple teasers here, and they're constantly updating and engaging with the community. So what I'm gonna do after this video is gonna be posted, go to my Twitter page, and I'll leave link in the description below. You'll have to follow me, and I'll post similar posts to this on my homepage, and I'm gonna pin that tweet. So that way it's gonna be the very first tweet you'll find on my page, and then just follow the instructions and wait 48 hours. And if you're gonna win, then you'll have a whitelist spot in Iconicos, Metaverse, land sale, or NFT sales that they're gonna be offering. And before I'm gonna end this video, I just wanna state something. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not a financial advice, and this video is for educational purpose only. And good luck to everybody who's gonna try to enter and win this whitelist spot. And if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.